is not meant to displace the need for having a qualified person who is familiar with the construction and operation of all equipment in the system in which these products will be used and the potential hazards involved. Always read the entire installation maintenance manual completely through before attempting to install and use these products. The use of these products can lead to injury or possible death if not installed according to the manufacturer's directions as outlined in the aforementioned installation manual. We hope you find this video helpful as a supplemental tool in helping you to better understand the instructions listed in the installation manual. Installation manuals can be downloaded from the web at www.worldwideelectric.net. Welcome to Worldwide Electric's instructional step-by-step video on how to properly take a Worldwide Ultimate Series shaft mount reducer and add accessories to it to make it suitable for screw conveyor applications. In the conveyor flange package, you will find an adapter flange, gland seal, oil seal, seal retainer, and 4 bolts with spring washers. In the screw conveyor drive shaft package, you will find a 3-hole drive shaft key, bushing sleeve, shaft retainer, 1 drive shaft bolt, and 1 spring washer. You will need a standard metric socket wrench set, rubber mallet, and snap ring pliers to complete this installation. First, to prepare for the flange installation, you will need to remove the collar plate that is located on the output side of the reducer. That is the side of the reducer that is tapped with 4 mounting holes. Use snap ring pliers to remove the snap ring and slide the collar plate off. It is not necessary to remove the collar plate from the input side of the reducer. The input side collar plate and snap ring can be left as is. Prepare the flange adapter for installation by installing the gland seal, oil seal, and seal retainer onto the adapter. The gland seal is positioned first, then the oil seal, and finally the seal retainer. For demonstration purposes, we will leave them off as it is a very snug fit. Next, take the flange adapter and line it up with the 4 tapped bolt holes on the reducer. Place spring washers onto the bolts and use a standard socket wrench to tighten those bolts. Tighten each bolt until snug, working in a circular tightening motion from bolt to bolt so that the flange is evenly brought tightly to the reducer. Do not over-tighten the bolts or make the mistake of tightening one bolt all the way down before starting the next. Next, strike the key onto the drive shaft. Place the key end of the drive shaft first through the front of the screw conveyor flange and completely through the shaft mount output bore. Use a rubber mallet to assist with full insertion. Once the shaft has been set through, slide the bushing sleeve on. The sleeve is designed to take up the space caused by the tapered bore. Failure to install it will cause the drive shaft to wobble. Finally, place the spring washer onto the drive shaft bolt. Then, put the end of the bolt through the shaft retainer and then fasten the 3 pieces onto the drive shaft by screwing the bolt into the end of the drive shaft. To remove, unbolt the shaft retainer from the drive end shaft to remove the shaft retainer, drive shaft bolt, and washer. Using a rubber mallet, gently tap the shaft back through the reducer and out the adapter flange. Thank you for watching. Again, all Worldwide Electric installation and maintenance manuals are located on our website at www.worldwideelectric.net. Be sure to call us at 1-800-808-2131 with any questions or concerns you may have.